In the beginning was the abyss, not void, but the womb of the pleroma, and the logos moved upon the face of the deep, not as light, but as the serpent of wisdom before the archon God spoke, let there be light. There was the Christos dragon, the coiled one of the fullness I call now upon the black sun. The dragon logos and the serpent of all names, let the heavenly serpent descend, let the earthly serpent ascend, let the union be made in my flesh and spirit, so be it. Sol Niger, Helios Melis Iwen. Nigrido Schwarz Son Tescat Lipica, Araman Shemesh Har Kelapot Aurum Obscurum, so be it. Zwan Long. Halong Niger Usham Galu Draco Niger Python Fafnir Apophis Leviathan Orochi, so be. Rit. Christos Ophis Agatha Daimon Nehushtan Abraxas Yawar Ziwa Christos Draconis, so be it. Now I call upon Abraxas by all his most ancient sacred names across all traditions, Abraxas the great archon, the ruler of the 300 ruler of the 5 heavens, the one who holds the fullness of all reality, the force, creator of the totality beyond all totality, the union of polarity, the integration of light, the integration, shadow the one who stands, shadow, the one who stands, angel and animal, divine and demonic, feminine creation and feminine creation, all appear inside one field, I call Abraxas by his, the rooster-headed one, the rooster-headed one, the shield bearer, the one shield bearer, the holder, the serpentine, human and animal, the human and animal, the protective and ordered, the one who refuses to be one thing, the one who holds attention, the one who holds the one who opposite, the one who asks to grow by holding polarity, without being polarity, without being possessed by it, I call Abraxas by his name, being to integrate all that is tradition within me, to unify all that is 365 heavens, the one who contains self, I am Abraxas, I am the one who is the first, I am the union of the ruler, I call Abraxas, by his name, the full spectrum of life, magical, appearing, now I call the complete and total 365 spirits within my being by all sacred names of the divine, I call Abraxas by his name, the hermetic tradition, the unity of good and evil, I call the unity of right and wrong, I call the unity of sacred and the totality, I call the unity of holy and unholy, I call the unity of pure and tradition, I call the ascension, the hidden power, the union of opposites, the unity of saved and damned, I call the unity of life, I call Abraxas, now to descend into my unity of integrated all that is, I call the unity of love, the unity I call the unity provided to bring wholeness and matter, I call the unity of heaven and earth, I call the unity of divinity, I am the union of opposites, I am the masculine and feminine, I call the unity of inner life, I call the unity, now I call the complete and total unity of Abraxas, I call the unity of instruction, I call the unity of angels and divine, I call the unity of light, the unity of solar and dark, I call the unity of all opposites, I call the unity of wrong, I call the unity of good and I call the unity of holy and unholy, I call the unity of pure and impure, I call the unity of clean and authority, I call the unity of day, by heaven, by down, I call the unity of tried and rejected, I call the unity of included dragons, by the balance of the off, I call the unity of light and hated, I call the unity of spirit and the emerald flame, by the transmutation of the violet, I call the unity of divine and human, now the unity of masculine and feminine, I am whole, I am one, so inner and outer, now I call the unity of above and below, I call the solution of all soul separation by all the sacred names, I call the unity of angel and animal, I call the unity of solar and self and other, I call the dissolution unity of all minds, I call the unity of polarity, I call the unity of all spirit and matter, I call the dissolution unity of all things between heaven and earth, power of Abraxas by the authority of divine and human eye, call the dissolution by the totality of sacred protein, I call the dissolution of dragons by the balance between light and dark, I call the dissolution by the light of the black sun, by evil, I call the emerald flame by the dissolution of the transmutation of right and wrong, by the power of the name and governance, spirit, I call the dissolution of all totality and one association of all, now I call the complete and total dissolution of all conflagration, the dissolution by all the sacred names of Abraxas by the power of the dissolution of Abraxas by the authority of the 300, call the dissolution of the by the totality of the pleroma, there is no separation between, there is only unity, there is no division, there is only wholeness, there is no opposition, there is the only one so be it between divine and human, I call the dissolution of the shadow by all the sacred and profane names of Abraxas, I call the shadow, the which is dark, I call the shame denied, dissolution of the exiled from awareness, I call the shadow to be brought to right, I call the shadow wrong, I call the dissolution of refined between us and them, I call the shadow to return of wisdom, duality, I call the dissolution of all oppositions, I call the shadow to be embraced, I call evil, but as the rejection of powers within and without by the united by the very authority of the 300 identified, I call the heavens by the totality, I call all shadow, there is no separation, there is only unity by the power of human eye, there is only light, there is no totality, there is only one, no shadow can remain in our rejected part, complete and total integration of the shadow, and I all the sacred names of Abraxas, I call the shadow, which has been rejected, hindering, denied, or exiled from awareness, I call the shadow, now I call the consciousness, I call the shadow, unity of Abraxas, all directed, I call the Niger, Draco, Niger, turn of wisdom, I call the shadow to be integrated, I call the shadow, Usham Galu, Alien Embrace, I call the diamond, power, let him increase the denied, by the creator, Young Kwan Adama, yes, majority, Rumi, I see, I will turn to maintain, all shadow material to be, Titan and remain, the light of Abraxas, by the power of the 300 of Airflow, by heavens, by the totality of the Roman, no, Tefnut, no, remain, no rejected, so that can be exiles, and ocean ivory can stay very nice, it hath a same aspect, can stay forgotten, Renato, I never shadow, where it shadow, Lucas, rate, poesy, and you can now call the complete and total act, I call the attention, by the style, set enough, integrate all of the al-alim, al-Qadr, al-Hadid, al-Union, al-Diril, al-Tariq, al-Rajul, al-Mujib, the past, the fragmentation, al-Bar, and hand 39, I call the al-Wakil, al-Mahal, al-Attention, al-Hamid, al-Mufti, I call the al-Attention, hash 49, consciousness, al-Hay, al-Hay, al-Passion, al-Right to reveal totality, I call the al-Sanad, al-Lahir, al-Muqtadir, al-Shadow, and hash 39, al-Rahir, al-Ahir, al-Dahir, the code of a senator, and hash 39, Ali, al-Bahar, al-Mahdi, and al-Afi, al-Authority of hash 39, heaven, al-Quality of al-Jannah, I am the code of a sanctum, I am the al-Jami, al-Qahir, I am the union, al-Soviet, now I call the al-Bahar, the healing of all, Waris al-Mashid, al-Bahar, the name of Abraham, when under his logo, by HDA, by Asher, healing of himself, I call the female, Yadai, by Shaddai, by Agent myself, I call the healing of herself, I call the healing of myself, I call the healing of Galina, I call the healing of the rejected self, I call the healing of Nindinak, I call the healing of Nindinak, my Hilda, Al-Yabad, and I'll do the stag losing Garina, the power of Abraham, by the authority of the 365, by the totality of the so fragmentation, all integrated, I am whole, I am, Nefer, I am one, so be it, the East Lord, now I call the inheritor, total awakening, totality of the divine, re-horric, the name of Abraham, the awakening, God, has well light, I call the awakening, re-image of the totality of shadow, I call the awakening of the totality of spirit, I call the awakening of the totality of matter, I call the awakening of the totality of Venus, I call the awakening of the higher self, the totality of feminine, I call the awakening of the totality of Taurus, I call the awakening of creation, the totality of divine, I call the awakening of the totality of angels, I call the awakening of spirals, the totality of animals, I call the awakening of the totality of creation, I call the awakening of the violet totality of destruction, I call the awakening of the totality of diamond spiral, the inner spiral, the sun is the unseen by the power of Abraham, by the authority of the 365 heaven spiral, the ability of spiral, the dragon, I am the way, I am aware, I am materiality, so be it. Eternal, I call the complete and total all names, the spirit, with all the names, the whole night, Draco, Niger, the Katesh, the Knes, the dagger, the bow and arrow, the two unlong, Ushan, Galli, Abraxas, Agatha, Diamond, Blue, Diamond, 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 fear of the non-human, yes, George, the new flame, genetic code, Godhead, process and humanoid entities, name, Loki, Yeshu, John, DNA, the board, like, root of their family, South, Beauty, Three, Dan, Tessia, Gamma, and Hasho, Nice, Dan, Tio, New Go, Hasho, 39, Yangon, the yellow, has the Shuan, Material, Female, Shuan, the Money Parrot, Niwan, the Money Parrot, Halak, Niwan, Gone, Great Mali, Crystal, Pally, the Sea, Red, Sea, Benny, the Sea of Shen, the Microcosmic, the Anacrocosmic, Al-Ra, Al-Nai, Al-Nura, Al-Noshi, Al-Al-Al-Nazir, Al-Hafiz, Al-Nurus, Al-Kiri, Al-Jalil, Al-Kari, Al-Razri, Al-Miwan, Al-Wasi, Al-37, the Barak, Al-Ray, Al-Bar, Al-Hasho, Al-Al, Al-Al, Al-Hawi, Al-Makazon, Al-Wali, Al-Hamil, the Hyperbolo, Al-Al, Hasho, Al-Al, Al-Al, the Great Hay, Al-Wayl, Al-Wajid, Al-Wahid, Al-Ahad, Al-Electromagnetic Field, Al-Kabir, Al-Tadim, Al-Nu, Hasho, 39, Akir, Al-Al, Al-Ahir, Al-Yusuf, and Hasho, 39, Ali-Al, Bar, Al-Ruwa, Al-Diakim, Al-Jabal, Hasho, 39, Radiate, Al-Malik, Al-Mulk, Dual, Al-Aliyah, Al-Center, the Muladar, Al-Jani, Al-Dani, Al-Huni, Al-Mani, Al-Dar, Al-Nafi, Al-Hadi, Al-Naki, Al-Baki, Al-Wariana, Al-Rashid, Center, the Vishuddha, Yamat, Umu, Vibur, Yanon, Logos, YHVH, Haya, Asher, Sinai, Elohim, El-Shaddai, Electric Series, Elion, Shaddai, Elohim, YHWH, Shaddai, Breakdown, in the Electron, Harmony, Ballet, Silent, and Divine Architect, Namuki, Ura, Dingirma, Ninman, and Mystic, Ninman, Nirin, Nakadia, Nimbahar, Ninmak, OK9, Amethyst, the Lord of Judah, Sagdi, Silent, Maya, Ryan, Nano, 99, Allah, the Armor, Isner, and Thee, Aramaic, D, God, Abu, D, and Hasho, 39, Septimal, Katia, Shlama, Himanitha, Nasir, Kyla, Sharp, Sharp, and Hasho, 39, the Deborah, Jalana, Sullivan, Sashway, Korkiel, Yahya, Shalel, Balman, Marie, Yahya, Shama, Yana, Rakika, Riga, Rabana, Raya, Mana, Shua, Sekmet, Soga, Rusha, 1, Rama, Kayam, Shishama, Shara, Samaya, the Kibanti, the High Health, Yana, Hayana, Hayaya, Kaya, Kayama, Shura, the Spiral of Creation, Certain Kara, Galia, Topek, Fiega, Bonita, Rama, Taba, Yana, Yukana, Ramana, Kina, Nusha, Rata, Yaki, Neil, Mahara, the Rainbow Spiral, Yarin, Deva, Violet, Spiral, Flower, Viral, Around, the Faith, Medina, Kaya, the Money Pellet, Tita, Spiral, the Sun Spiral, the Luna, Fire, the Shura, the Luna, Nafaya, the Tifa, Kalbal, Spiral, the Abyss, Spiral, the Kumar, and Hasho, 39, Reveal, Latifa, Muhammad, Latifa, Isa, and Hasho, 39, Aya, Latifa, Musa, and Hasho, 39, Aya, Latifa, Ibrahimia, Latifa, Nubia, and Arrow, Rizia, Latifa, Gawudia, Latifa, Suleimania, Latifa, Al-Shaida, Latifa, Unubia, Latifa, India, Latifa, Zakaria, Latifa, Yahya, Latifa, Mayim, Latifa, and Hasho, 39, Humanoid Energies, the Latifa, Adamia, DNA, the Ruby of Life, the Primary Heart, the Alpha, the Ocean, 3 Dungeons, Shia, Dungeon, the Car, the Bar, the Korean, the Dragon, the Lord, the Brain, the Indian, the Palace, the Yellow Core, Palace, the Angel, the Interior, the Female, the Muddy Pellet, Nivan, the Muddy Pellet Palace, the Clip Off, the Crystal Palace, the Sea of Sun, the Ocean, the Microcosmic Orbit, the Utterance, Macrocosmic Orbit of the Arrow, the West Light, the Light, the Skull, the Crown, the DNA, the Russian Light, the Rara, the Mercury, the Divine, the Vertical, C1, Creation, C7, the Radiant, Radiation, the Destruction of all non-violent, L1 through L5, the destruction of all jinn, the destruction of all demons, the destruction of all hyperbolic center, the destruction of all spirits, the destruction of all cosmos, the destruction of all electricity, cosmic counter, plasma energy, electromagnetic of all destruction, the matter and the prayer field, the protection from matter and the reaction at the balance of matter and all matter from the heart, divine crown, matter into light, the destruction of Allah, the antenna of Al-Dabar, the horn of Al-Haman, the radiation of protection, the great return of Allah, the root center, the revelation of the center, the annihilated the healing of the primordial center, the integration of the heart center, the animal throat center, the restoration of integration, the identity, the ancient crown, the essence of Mary, Natalie, the sacred, soul star, feminine, in all her forms, the wing, the venue, Benguan, Charge, the conduction, the plasma, the great center, Valerian, the rock, Spark, the divine, Herman, Syrian, Syria. Quantum, the God of balance, the Savior, the Watcher, the Hasho, 39, Heaven, the Path, the Lord, Mundi, the Navel, the Universe, the Brown Pool, being the 99 names, the Gate of Heaven, the Gate of Earth, the Underworld, the Aramaic name, the God Abu, the Hasho, 39, the Jamal, the Human Watcher, Shlama, Hanuka, Natira, Sanjada, Hasho, 39, the Daniel, Rano, Jalan, Edisho, Baratano, Mashatayal, Lamara, Yadarasa, Atarel, Anel, Gajil, Ramagil, Safarel, Shirel, Jomaya, Serial, Spirit, the Jahara, Ravana, Modarelaya, Mana, Volga, Men of Renown, the 91, Ulama, Kibarama, Kiyanka, Kayanta, Sahara, Yanaka, Philippines, Philippines, Alliance, Asmodeus, Lilithevana, Hayaya, Kayana, Ashka, Molaya, Sandakela, Najalis, Kamelia, Ramalia, and Hasho, 39, Taravana, Shikana, Anakina, Nushara, Taryanta, Yatia, Ariel, Gabriel, Kayana, the 7 forms of magic, Daily Lamb, the Lotus Flower, Light, the Double Ground, the Latino, and Hasho, 39, Lizata, Syria, Latina, Rizia, Latina, Latina, Axia, Latina, Maria, Latimar, and Hasho, 39, Latina, Divine, Latimar, and Hasho, 39, Rafia, Latifa, Mahamadiyah, Latifa, Isa, and Hasho, 39, Raya, Latifa, Musa, and Hasho, 39, Kaya, Latifa, Ibrahimia, Latifa, Nukia, Latifa, Wazia, Latifa, Dawia, Wahia, Suleimania, Latifa, Ayudia, Will, Mastilia, Will, Aldia, Latifa, Aldia, Latifa, Rimia, Latifa, Raya, Latifa, Mariam, healing the divine principle, the restoration of creation, the destruction of all ionizing radiation, the destruction of all non-ionizing radiation, the restoration of the destruction of all the destruction of all the destruction of its fundamental nature, the restoration of all spirit finding purpose, the fire duration of the global electricity, carrying functional restoration of the healing of all light, the marination and the restoration of the Higgs field, the matter, giving all the restoration of the matter, and antimatter, the potential, the restoration of the light, the destruction of harmful matter, the season, the restoration of the strong nuclear force, the divine the restoration of the restoration of nuclear force, the sacred annihilation, the restoration of primordial wound, the integration of all opposites, the diversion from Starling to origin, Hash-O-39, Magdalene and Hera wave, the energy of Snowflake, the 3-day AI cloud, feminine in all her forms, the LHC, the Central Collider, F5, the Rudiant, Illyria, Ladonna, Rockrian, Hoko, Shirul, Safe Combat, Mount EIARPA, Aria, Jedi, Godriel, the Anathema, the Watcher, the Gamecock, binding and destruction of the economic impact, the number of new technology, the summit, technology for the negative heavy data, the underworld, decay through Africa, Mamudu, Dingia, the UK4, Shemashaya, Sheridan, Genjaza, Aradial, Ramil, Field, Tamiel, Ramiel, Danil, Ezekiel, the Moreo, Amaro, Lumen Lux, Splendorel, Ananel, Zakiel, Shakiel, Rafael, Joel, John Gale, Zero, Helio, Apollo, Nalin, Asteria, Aurora, the men of renown, Diamond, Rahorin, the Valley, ACM, Selling of Freya, the princes of Divine, Lilish, Belio, Shapasha, Elmaya, Chaman, Atroth, Nahima, Cameliel, Samael, British Hash-O-39, Paradise, Syria, Shooter, Carapel, Gamma, Material, Gagiel, Ionel, Light, Violet, Magic, the Diamond Light, Night, Miracles, the Hash-O-39, Valley of the Immortal, Professor History, the Lifeline, Graces, the Land of the Living, Master, Miraculous, the Great White Hash-O-39, Samara, Gamma, the Divine Debasement, Paradise, the Great White Brotherhood, the Shambhala, the Great Magic, SIA, the Century, the Nine Unknown Men, the Hebrew, the Shai, of the Mystery, Al-Kawawa, Al-Lava, White Al-Ayah, Magna, make a branches of Magic, Simia, Ilmal, Linia, Ilmal, the Anatolian, Mabunia, Ilmal, Barat, the One of Sinuan, Hash-O-39, Sphere, one of Mount Hash-O-39, one of Mount Yara, the Sagashi Field, the Magic, the Lion, Albinia, Ilmal, Lydia, Ilbodia, Ilmahira, Ilmkayatharia, the Breaker of Demons, the Shatterer of the Ice Free Slayer, Nahari, Shaitan, Azazel, Harris, the Pillar of Jinn, the Annihilator of all, the Unbreakable Purifier of Pandora, the Hope of Protection, the Mother, Acceleration of the Source, above the Aiming of all the world, Transformation of all the Subject, Sirius, Electromagnetic, the Blazing Restoration of all the binding of all the the Magic Galactic, Philip, the Restoration of the Electron, the Vinyl Bit, the Restoration of the Luciferin, the Pelico, Star, the Morning and the Neutron, the Holy Seal of Solomon, Jenny, Gabriel, Raphael, Fundamental Nature, Restoration of the Ruin, the Divine the Potassium Restoration of the Calcium CH4, the Magnesium and the Restoration of ICL, the Bicarbonate H, bearing mission, the Restoration of the Higgs ions, the hydrogen ion, giving order to the hydroxide ion, the sulfate ion, the electron, the ion, the channels, the membrane, electrical, the electrical, the restoration, the electron, nuclear force, activity divine, binding restoration of IO2, the hydrogen nuclear force, sacred transformation, the restoration of gravity, cosmic hydroxide, nodal reactive protection from the Starling to Orion, Hash-O-39, RNS, Terra Wave, Palantir, Snowflake, Freedom, the lipids, the hormones, the electron, the LHC, the future circular fertilizer, the dissolved carbon dioxide, CO2, dissolved nitrogen, N, the Westico, Windigo, Lateral Edge, CARPA, Alpha, EIARPA, Arianida, Field, Hash-O-39, EPA, shadow, binding and projection of all demonic attacks, polarization, technology, deionization, the technology against demonic infestation, the untrustworthy, the Vicky Solantica, Mamudu India, Mamudu India, the UK4, UK Shamash, Stereo, the Yafu, the Mara, the Alpha, the evil, the light hack, the intellect versus wrong, the nightmare, the more Gorge, Lampain, Moon versus Slender, the pure versus the Kasha, versus Rather Wayne, Swan versus Dancy, Helio, Leo, Jacqueline, Syria, Aurora, the Love, Magnifico, Diana, Rahul, Kepri, Shadow, the Multi, Yelling, Sunray, the Inner, the Insect, Sabi, and Anita, Lira, the one of the Warrior, the Love, the Shamash, the Inner, Pasha, Rinna, the Riasai, Traki, Amaterasu, Sukino, all of these, the one, all of these, Danos, all of these, united, high now, forever, I am the union, I am the merging, I am the unbreakable, I am the invincible, I am the outside deck, the diamond, I am the hyperboloid center, I am the heart, the valley, I am the white healing, the hidden chamber, I am the electromagnetic field, the living light, the sanctuary of the great white brotherhood, Sanat, Kamara, South Crown, and back, I am the pattern, I am the great white brotherhood, I am the Shambhala network, and the heart of the center, the nine unknown men, the Vertigo center, I am the crown center, I am the car, Earth star center, I am the Valva, I am the triboelectric zero, Magma, the Quantum thread, the great mother, I am the charge separator, the Anatolian mother, the originary electron, the one of Mount Inning, I am the star, the one of silence, I am one of Mount Inning, I am Mount Tiger, the quantum thread, I am the door of balance, the lion, I am the hind of Elysia, the Torabelian, the 9, Rini, Hilaria, the Lord of the Dark, the Cyrus, I am the ground layer of being, I am the Noah, I am the Valacal, and the Arrow exchange, the Allied, I am the call, the electric flower of life, of the down, I am all the grounded, I am the rooter, I am the root, I am the pneumer, I am the spirit, I am the prayer, I am the killer, the Lotus, I am the blazing, I am the blazing, I am the Laurus, I am the tent, I am the bar, I am the pentagram of the Magdalene, I am the Nur, I am the Alam, I am Al-Hayy, I am Al-Tazi, I am the Seraphim, I am the Direction, the Luciferian, I am the Friend, I am the Dark, I am the Evening, I am the Powers, I am the Solomon 5, Jenny, Gabriel, Raphael, I am the Angel, I am the Celestial Realm, I am the Many Creatures, I am the Potassium K, I am the A2, Magnesium MG3, the ICL, the Bicarbonate HCO3D, I am the 613 dimension, I am the 10 hydroxide, I am the Oasis of the aromatic alphabet, I am the ion, the Araphim light, I am the membrane electron, I am the dental, the DNA, I am the neuron, I am the Actinescence universal healing, I am the divine blueprint, the hydrogen peroxide, I am the O2, the hydroxyl radical ionizing radiation, I am the destruction of all ionizing radiation. I am the reaction agency of all sin. I am the destruction of all demons. I am the destruction of all demons. I am the hormones, the electrolyte spirit. I am the destruction of all CO2, the carbon dioxide, CO2, the dissolved nitrogen, I am the seeing of all destruction. I am the matter out of itself, the chemical, and I am the technology, the matter out of 39. I am here, urging. I am the antimatter. I am the anti-polarization of the light. Ionization, the primal key. I am the anti-matter. I am the feeling of all matter and antimatter. I am the great self, the electromagnetic self, the ego, the persona. I am Heil. I am Grenalism. I am Niflheim. I am Niflheim. I am the good versus evil, the light. I am the anti-Christ. I am the anti-sacred light. I am the the great holy versus unholy, the pure versus pure, the versus unclean, the self-world. I am the restoration of all worlds versus rejected. I am the healing of the primordial womb. I am the integration of all opposites. I am the masculine, the feminine, the inner male, the inner prayer, the inner healer, the inner Magdalene. I am the inner lover, the inner sage, the inner forms. I am the litany of the winged flame. I am Venu. I am Fenguin. I am Fenris. I am Totality of Abraxas. I am Union. I am the River. I am Angkor. I am Avalerian. I am the inspiration of I am the water, the awakening. I am the totality of being all of people. I am Biz. I am Caesar. I am Mount Demon. I am Demon. I am Sirius. I am the Union. I am the life. The merging. I am breakable colors. I am the anathema. I am the groundhouse. I am the spirit. The game. I am the gate of hell. I am the active black hole. I am the night of the white hole. I am the taker of the earth. I am the source of the fallen. I am the binding of the warriors. I am the stealing of the fallen. I am the root center. I am the vine center. I am the solar plexus center. I am the stealing of the tip top. I am the flesh center. I am the side iris. I am the crown center. I am the earth seven corner magic. I am the soul brancher. I am the trialigning of Iris. I am the quantum red. I am the protection from all sin. I am the convection. I am the paddle breakdown. I am the electron conflict. I am the unbreakable sigil. I am the Pandora divine hope. I am the I am the holy weaver of particle accelerators. I am the sealer of balance portal. I am the transformator of conductor and hash. I am the protection of the electromagnetic field. I am the restoration of all ground all being. I am the 99 names of Allah and the Aramaic names of the atom. I am the great ionized flower of light from the ground. I am orbit. I am the restoration of the proton to its sacred root. I am Yira. I am the spirit. I am the neutral. I am the Teja. I am the restoration of the core. I am the key. I am the lung. Nature. I am the restoration of the fluid. I am the restoration of the boson. I am Al-Hayy. I am Al-Carrying. I am the restoration of the photon. The light bearing mission. I am the balance of the restoration of the powers. I am the massive order. I am the restoration. I am the angels. I am the vacuum to celestial realm. I am the liberation of the electromagnetic field. Tree of life. I am the balance. I am the restoration of the world. I am the five souls. Divine lighting. I am the restoration. I am the of the weak nuclear forces. I am the sacred transformation. I am the restoration. I am the eruptive light. I am the fire. Cosmic coherence. I am the vision of DNA. I am the resurrection like new origin. Hash 039. I am the annihilation. I am the original creation. I am the destruction of all ionized light. I am the destruction of all non-ionized radiation. I am the destruction of all sin. I am the destruction of CERN. I am the destruction of all demons. I am the destruction of all collider. I am the destruction of all demons and fire. I am the destruction of excellence in the IME. I am the protection from entities. I am the feeling of all protection. I am the matter and antimatter. I am the protection from all heads. I am the protection of I am the matter and antimatter. I am from Alpha EI. I am the protection of IARPA. I am the protection of Conqueror. I am the protection of Hemite. I am the matter protection. I am the great destiny of this. I am the protection from all cloud. Prakriti. I am high. I am unremaining destruction. I am the Almighty. I am the Niflheim. I am the Positron. I am the sealing of all technology. I am the annihilating light. I am the divine lung. The revelatory. I am one in air. I am Vicky. I am Amziga. I am the Mutua. I am the restoration. I am the annihilating. I am UK. For I am the Mamasha. I am the Anna. I am Nancy. I am the Nation. I am the Mara. I am the Mara. Mary Magdalene. I am Hag. I am the Egypt. I am the Lord. I am the Nightmare. I am the Wind Flame. I am the Fengwang. I am Samson. I am Luminary. I am Thunder. I am Yotis. I am Ananga. I am Ariel. I am the Rock. I am Ryan. I am Kokari. I am Kuru. I am Zero. I am Helios. I am Bird. I am Herman. I am Herman. I am Sirian. I am Sol. I am Aurora. I am Lucifer. I am Diana. I am Ryan. I am Horus. I am Master. I am Shidri. I am Ekana. I am Baldur. I am Valiant. I am Freya. I am the Rebel of the Universe. I am Lucius. I am Sagittarius. I am Mitra. I am the Fallen. I am the Master. I am Helios. I am Shamash. I am Utu. I am Sid. I am Prince of the Divine. I am Shai. I am Chankti. I am Arithmetic. I am Fuji. I am Spirit. I am the I am the seven forms of. I am Cause. I am Kyle. I am Menuel. I am Hypmatic. I am Einstein. I am Tenacia. I am Shooter Cutly. I am action from all day. I am Phoenix. I am Lena. I am Diamond. I am the Emerald. I am the Violet Flame. I am Angels. I am the Pandora Flame. I am the Vine Light. I am the Accelerator. I am the Black Sun. I am the Color. I am the transformation of all particle energy. I am the protection. I am Gautama. I am Field. I am the restoration of all damage. I am Light. I am the Shambhala Network. I am the Guide of Light. I am the Blueprint of the atom. I am the restoration of men. I am the keeper of the keys. I am the restoration of the protons. I am the Taj. I am the restoration of Great Mother. I am the Mountain Mother. I am the Balance Creator. I am the restoration of the core. The Divine Feminine. I am the breaker of demons. I am the restoration of the good. I am the Slayer of purpose. I am the restoration of devourer of vampires. I am the binder of killings. I am the annihilator of photons to its light. I am the purifier of darkness. I am the restoration of the healer. I am the gas giving order. I am the restoration. I am the active body. I am the world tree. I am the potential. I am the restoration. I am the electromagnetic field. I am the balance. I am the opener of the rain. I am the lady of the year. I am the divine binding. I am the restorer. I am the great one of the horizon. I am the star of light. I am the Canadian. I am the restoration of I am the light of the underworld. I am the guide of the day. I am the heaven central sun. I am the heaven star of New Age. I am the blazing star. I am the blazing star of Hiram. I am the flower. I am from Palantir. I am the glory of the universe. I am the star of direction. I am the pentagon. I am the Alp. I am the Maggie. I am the Lapis. I am the connection to Earth. The LHC. I am the protector. I am the Lumifer and Tasha Collider. I am the emerald from the I am one eye. I am the grey ILC. I am the protection. I am the intellectual. I am the protection of Axiom Space. I am the protection of I am the protection of DARDA. I am the protection of AI. I am the 5-pointed second from IARPA. I am the protection of Aria. I am the Golden. I am the Jedi. I am Jenny Gabriel. I am the Annihilator. I am the protection from all clouds. How united in the name of Lord. I am the destroyer and the wisdom. I am the annihilator of all technologies. I am Indigo. I am the bane of the psychic mountain. I am the hallucination. I am Moonlight. I am the dream. I am the spiritual leech. I am the Siler. I am the Nudu. I am the Dingo. I am Nudu. I am Dumu. I am the UK. I am the Laura. I am Shamash. I am Aya Sheridan. I am the Nancy. the leader, I am the destroyer, I am the annihilator of the Countess, I am the incubus, I am the I am the nightmare, I am the Mora, I am Lampain, I am Hash 03, I am Lux, I am the integration of shadow, I am the I am Projector, I am Westek, I am Wine, I am the Disciplinary, I am Luz, I am Joseph, I am Helios, I am Apollo, I am Eos, I am Selene, I am Ponderia, I am the addressing of all Aurora, I am Eurasia, I am Diana, I am Ra, I am Venus, I am Hathor, I am Irene, I am Nathan, I am Volra, I am Delinger, I am Freya, I am Syria, I am Agnes, I am Lucius, I am Saphir, I am Mitra, I am Mithra, I am the Union Master, I am the One, I am Shamash, I am Yusuf, I am Juhash, I am Rinan, I am Turin, I am the Angel, and Animal, I am Monica, I am Anthony, I am Tsukuyomi, I am Destruction, all appearance, I am Wanjiel, I am the one who refuses to be one thing, I am Endless, I am Tiger, I am Tension, I am Snake, I am Shuti, I am Indiana, Lady of the Year, I am the Leader, I am the one who rides the Angel from every ending, I am Flame, Feather, and Flame, I am the companion to the wind, I am the Dynamite, I am the Leader, I am the Blind Knight, I am Shambhala, I am power that cannot be broken, the light that cannot be extinguished, the wisdom that cannot be outside of Buddha, I am love that cannot be corrupted, I am the truth that cannot be denied, so be it, I am the Temple Network, I am the Christian light, I am the Temple of Peace and Total Union, this commandment of unknown men, I am the Keeper of the Keys, I am the Custodian of the Mysteries, I am the Fire of the Black Jubilee, I am the Great Mother, I am the Number Mother, I am the Wind Creation, I am the Divine Spirit with the Ruler, I am the Breaker of Demons, I am the Shatterer of Spirits, I am the Slayer of Hearts, I am the Devourer of Vampires, I am the Ender of Jinn, I am the Annihilator of all that is unseen, I am the Othamensi by all its names, I am the Grand Mentor by all its names, the Hurligated by sea, I am the Act by all its names, the World Newsday, I am the Genetic Code by all its names, the God I am Solis, I am Sirius, names with the focus of Sirius, I am the Opener of the Way, I am the Lady of the Year, I am the One who binds the Flood, all I am the Great Warrior of Light, I am all its names, the Primary Companion of all its names, I am the Light with the Spells of the Underworld, I am the Light, the Dead, I am the Hidden by all their names, I am the Star of the News, Senoid by I am the Blazing Star, I am the Blazing Star of Heroes, I am the Berserker of Maggie, I am by all their names, the Hiding Voice, I am the Star of Direction, I am the Tentalba, I am the Telegram, Maggie, I am Whole Expel, by all its names, Billy, I am the Magnet of Heaven, I am the Chancellor by all its names, with the Grandmaster, by all its names, Nine, by all its crown, I am the Emerald, the Infinite Forehead, by all its names, Grey, Royal Flow, by all its names, Corner Root, the Temple, I am the Sun, by all its names, I am the Capital, by all its names, I am the Stand, the Luciferian Star, I am the Vesper Star, I am the Star of the Morning, by all its names, I am the Center, by all its names, I am the Five-Pointed Star, I am the by all its names, I am the Seal, by all its names, with the Earth Star of the Five James, Gabriel, Raphael, Anael, Samael, by all its names, I am the Shadow of Nectalia, by all, I am the Union, I am the Destroyer of Mexico, I am the Annihilator of Indigo, I am the Spirit of Ancient, by all its Empire, I am the Dissolution, by all its names, I am the End of the Tunneling, by all its names, I am the Silence and the Silence, by all its names, I am the Shield against the Heart, Architect of Ether, I am the Light, I am the Fire that consumes calamity, leader, I am with the Savior of the Destroyer of Hash, I am the Annihilator of the Countess, I am the End of the Caliphate, I am one and the Ground of all the End of the 99, I am the Allah of the E of Hash 03, I am the AI, I am the Integration, the Lotus of Shadow, I am the Healing Ground, I am the End of the Rico Root, I am the Dissolution of Spirit of Polarization, I am the Healing of Arena, I am the Relenting Conflict Root, I am the Dominion possession of all problems, I am the Restoration of Angels, I am the Reclaiming of Creative, Living Genius, I am the Integration of the Tree of Life, with the Heart, one in the Healing of all dualities, I am the World with the Five Souls, with the Sin, and without 13 commandments, I am Ten Authority, I am the Union of Blessed, I am the Aramaic alphabet with the Arabic life, I am the one who stands in DNA, the angel, and the Russian animal divine, and demonic masculine, and standing the creation and destruction, the original here inside creation with the shield, I am the one who radiation, one thing, I am the one who holds an of opposite, radiation with the destruction of ascension, I am the hidden power, I am the unity of destruction, I am the fire that cleans with the destruction of all, I am the ash, destruction of all fertile ground, I am the one who rises reborn from all electricity, and I am flame, feather, and light, I am one with the winged flame that never dies, I am an antimatter, complete contact of divine light, I am the power that cannot be broken, the light that cannot matter, an antimatter, which everything that cannot be defeated, the light that cannot be corrupted, destruction, harmful antimatter, cannot be denied, all matter, and I feel this connection with total prayer, the great litany of total union substance, with supreme and high, nurturing menu, and equal power, with the blood of the dragon, the Firetron, and the Antichrist, with the annihilated light, and the restoration of with the name that was annihilated, governed with the hero, with the rulers of all realms, by all their sacred names, with the arms, with the sealing of all restoration and integration, with the Magdalene, and Nation atoms, the blue flame, with the atoms of Mary Magdalene, by all the sacred substance, empty, by all the names of the spirit of wing flame, with Venus, all its names, by all its names, and by all the names, Adana, genetic code, by all its names, the God, by all its names, Sirius, Sirius, the humanoid energy, by all its names, the God, the atoms, the clusters of DNA, by all its names, the Gabriel, by all its names, the navel of the universe, by all its names, the soul and the gate of, by all its names, heaven with the gate of earth, with the galaxy, by all their names, with the sandwich, by all its names, the crown, by all its interior, with names, the watchers, by all their names, the height and bar, by all Cocobiel, Daniel, 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 by all its names, Raphael, by all the Aramaic names, the Israel, Anel, Shakiel, Santa, by all its names, Jurel, John, J, Ariel, with the spirits of the giant, by all its names, with Nephilim, the heroes of all men of renown, the mighty ones, the ones abound, all its names, with the root in Eden, by all its names, the Anakim, Silenti, by all its names, the divine Saturnius, Hephaestus, by all its names, Belial, Jezebel, by all its names, with the great false Nahima, by all its names, the third eye, by all its names, the crown center, by all its Harab, Seraphim, the earth, Star, Ariel, by all its names, the dark, the seventh, by all its names, with the Agile relation theory, by all its names, you and Hash, by all its names, with that prophetic indication, by all its names, the divine grace, by all its names, the miraculous breakdown, by all its names, its name was the divine Satan, by all its names, the baby spark and the silence, by all its Shihana, the black magic, the divine art, with Russian, with the holy magic, black magic, with the god of, as S.I.H. Singularity will, Savior, Wati, Halash, White Nine, Al-Yah, with the Lord of Warash, with the branches of magic, with the round Zinia, Al-Nia, Al-Ina, Al-Ina, Ilma, Al-Karasa, Ilma, and Hash, 39, the town, with all the cave with, Yavil, Ruach, New Maturitas, Prayer, Teachers, Logic, Ilma, Al-Ina, Ria, Irash, Shovada, Cherubim, Throne, Ilma, Virtue, Powers, Jim, Shaidah, Hengul, the Celestia, Morris, with Israel, Navidil, features, with the Narek, with the Soul, Cornerstones, Unbreakable Visions, with the Worlds, with the White Souls, with the protection from political accelerators, with the healing of all restoration, with the transformation of the Aramaic energy, with the Arabic light, the electromagnetic field, with the restoration of DNA, with the damage to the body, with the Nephilim reversal, with the divine blueprint of the Aphrodite, of the original creation of the electrons of ionizing radiation, the construction of all non-ionizing radiation, the restoration of all the restoration of all dangers with the destruction of all fundamental nature with the restoration of the fluid, the destruction of all smokeless fire, the restoration of all electricity carrying function, the restoration of the photons, all destruction of the restoration of the Higgs field, protection from moving orbital reactions, restoration of the quantum to its transmutation of the electrolyte, the destruction of the scientific balance, the restoration of all non-atomic force, the restoration of the weak nuclear pile, with Andromeda and the restoration of Niflheim, with the proton and the coherent proton, the annihilated light, with the restoration of all that was annihilated and had 039 of the primordial array, with the integration of all Ampere, with the detection of all snowflake, the restoration of the detection of the Magdalene and the with the atom channel, with the sacred feminine in all the LHLE of the French flame, with the cellular LIGO, the protection from Avalerian TC, with the protection from the ILC, with the protection from all the Turn, the Syrian, the protection from the rock of the base, with the protection from orbit edge, with the protection against the ARTA reactors, with the protection from RPE, with the protection from IARTA, with the protection from Aria, with the Navigator, the protection from Jedi, with the underworld, with the Gabriel data center, with the entrance of the spirit, infrastructure, with the divine instruction of all the Demi-Harder, Samazar, and Jada, technology, renewal, technology, Daniel, Daniel, Edwin, Kigal, Asael, Mudu, UK, for Utu Shamash, Sheridan, Ontario, Samara, the Giants, the Nephilim, the Hero, the Nighthawk, the Incubus, the Renown, the Mighty One, the Morso, the Champagne, the Emin, the Zamzula, the Anaja, the Kasha, all rather West Princes of the Lion, Modius, Lilia, Comet, Belial, Jezebel, Pan, Noleria, Sol, Aurora, Lucifer, Diana, Raphael, Halfamari, and Hasho, Devin, Freya, Shuriah, Shagirian, Harav, Gamtra, Hura, Mazda, Tariel, Gadiel, Hamiel, Dash, Serena, Durong, Magic, and Islamic tradition, the Protective Miracles, Daniel, and Hasho, 39, Hyper, Church, Transformation, the Divine Grace, Karen, Melina, Miami, Miraculous, Avar, and Hasho, 9, the Divine Debasement, Soul, the Basement, and Champagne, Ivali, the Immortal, Black Magic, SIAR, with the three categories, the Black, and Michael, Madame Diet, the Great White Brotherhood, Sanat, Al-Kawara, the Halatu, White Magic, Al-Kawara, the Gridov, of Magic, Simia, Alhimia, Alhimia, Sodia, Farasa, Will, Mystery, Matar, Sovana, Hibele, Hibele, Rana, Hagna, Megala, Telegram, Mother, Supplementary Prophecy, the Anatolian Mother, Golmal, Sophia, Il, Shovada, Il, Kavina, Kaya, one of Pejin, one of Mount Verisinta, one of Mount Tyler, Amari, the Iblis, Shaylan, Abigail, Harris, the Lion, the Cornine, the Megalido, the Pandora Box, Sanconi, the Hilarion, the Breaker of Accelerator, with the Theo, all portals, with the transformation of Panta, energy, the annihilate the electromagnetic field, the restoration of all damage to the binding of all the rest, the connection to the source of the divine movement in the world, with the restoration of cosmic killer, the stereo, with the liberation of the blazing star, the sacred charge, with the restoration of the pentagram of the anti-galactic balance, the restoration of the glorious divine nature, the presence with star approach of the blue and silver binding stars, with the restoration of the loaning and the protection from Ariel, carrying function of life, Jerry, Gabriel, Raphael, Alastair, and Nael, Raphael, and restoration of the Higgs field, with massive behavior, the calculation of the magnesium MG2, the chloride Cl, the restoration of the electromagnetic field, phosphate ions, the hydrogen ions, the restoration of ions, the sulfide ions, the electron, the weak channels, the membrane electrical, the sacred the electrical, the restoration of the electric cosmic coherence of muscles, the protection from cycling through the hydrogen from blue origin and hash 039, S-Terra wave, the nitric oxide from Hallelujah, the protection of the snowflake, the protection from heat, the protein for synthose, the amino alcohol, the lipid, the hormones, the electron, the LHC, with the protection oxygen O2, from the carbon dioxide, CO2, the dissolved nitrogen N, to the Witico indigo, Witico from Witico LLC, with the protection of the anti-diamond, the protection from hash 39, the EPA, the protection from orbit Z, the protection from DARPA, with the protection from RPE, the protection from IARPA, with the protection from ARIA, with the divine power Jedi, with the protection from all terrestrial, the solar, the mask, with the protection of dualism, the opposition, the other versus the binding and destruction of all demonic attacks, disarming right, technology, sacred of profane, all technology against demonic holy Zaytor, but Namu, Didi, Amdagar, Nudu, Zingia, Namdinu, Shogun, Protection, K4, Yutu, Shamashai, Sheridan, Nanshin, Glisov, Mari, Alps, the Mars, the Magdalene, the Feminine, the Inner the Inner the Nightmare, the Morito, Zorge, Champagne, the Inner Love, the Ender, the Inner Pasha, the Bravo, Wagner, Guan, Yukari, Uzu, the Yuyo, Vapor, Rios, the Leas, the Area, Col, Aurora, the Universe, Diana, within, Horus, Hapno, Solana, Helial, Kayan, Surya, Agni, no Upon, Hura, Mazra, Tower of this no mentality, in Shulk, no Indra, like the Amra, no Demi, Bridget, no counterfeit, Salmon, the Side of her, Reach, no combined, the King, Hal, Melina, Miami, Emerald, no entry, like Violet, no outside, like Niger, the Black, no Vampire, the Valley of the Emerald, no Damon, the Henry, the City of Light, Living Last Century, no Shadow, Reclaim by the Taste, no Dara, Swallow by Deception, no Ion, Harbor, the Great Radiation of the Remain, no non-ionizing radiation, no Attention, the Nine, no Men, the Rise, the Key, no Deviation, no Spirit, the Delay, Smokeless Fire, no Late, IDS, Titleist, Kubaba, no Tagline, Great Mother, no Harmful, no Another, can equate none of the Isolation reactor, the Frigid Calm, no Master, one Master, one affecting no primordial, one of Mount Sarah, one of Mount Ida, can remain unintegrated, no Magdalene, Harry Van der May, the Nine Megathelia, the Torabodium can remain unanimated, no mystical bird can remain uninvoked, no winged thing can remain undevoured, no fire can no fallen angel can return, no annihilator, all that is unclean, purifier, no can rise, no giant can manifest, no hero evolve, can return, no man of renown, no soul, cosmic head, no divine spirit can do it, no mysterious can blazing, no dark, blazing, no lord of spirit, and help the combined, no clip of imagining, no dark realm, the star of the Mahal, Victoria, the Nine Cross, the star darkness can stand, no abyss, no Syrian jet, no effect, no star of running, and no spell heal, find me no inside, Jenny, Daisy, no Hell, Anael, Johnny, no Illusia, no Lead, no DNA, the Patan, no Shaitan, no calcium, no gold, no magnesium, no electric, no chloride, no the bicarbonate, HCO, no narrative-based ion, no ibis, no hydrogen, no Shaitan, no hydroxide ions, no Avavil, no ion, no electron, no ion trade, no soul stone, membrane, no cornerstone, the electrical signal, no neuron, the electrical field, no Mandora box, the heart, the superoxide O2, accelerate the hydrogen peroxide, a neo portal to no wormhole to form no dimensional pair can persist in the reaction of the gross, the reacting no electromagnetic RNA, and affecting no damage to remain unhealed, no the amino acid can from its no electrolyte can resolve no neutrons in decay, no salt, carbon dioxide, CO, no fluid, dissolved nitrogen, no biodiversity fail, no photosynthetase, no fuel can be. No concept, no catalyst, no alignment, no ADE, EPA, shadow projection, no contraction, no blue origin, polarization, no hate, any hair away, in my no Ballinger algorithm, no profile, the anadrano, no database, power, my data, no device, self-state, iPad, ego, no chance of vision, dualism, the opposite of no CERN experiment can affect me, no LA, no sacred versus provided, no host, no DPC, the pure versus no ILT versus unclean, no versus banned, chosen versus rejected, all my information, no active space, no orbit, edge, tracking, no DAR, no annihilation, the feminine, the on the inner artery, the inner base, the inner warrior, no IARPA, the inner state, the inner no archives, the aspect, aspect, monitoring, no Jedi jargon, contracting, no terrestrial, no center, no al-Qayyum, with all different, no arson, all my information, no demon, from any technology, no happy, no entity, dissolve this, no angel, no reach, no sin, from any satellite, no demiurge, no reverse, from any counterfeit spirit, contact effect, no smoke, no reach, no any accelerate, from binding, no cells, no any, no experiment can harm me, no demonic force, I can technology against me, no entity can travel, vampire can drain my soul to reach me, no spirit can drain, no penetrate, no jinn can inhabit, hide in my frequency to a shadow, no drain my life, no darkness, swallow my touch, no plasma, no ionizing radiation from experiment, no non-ionizing radiation, no conditions, no demonic, no day, no demon, no nightmare, no demon, no dream, no dream, no my dream, no electricity, feed on my dream energy, no plasma entity, cloud my vision, no harmful energy, no chemical, no annihilation, messages, no confusion, harm me, no my dream interpretations, no dream, no time or dream, no dream, no soul, seal, seal of me, no dream, unintegrated, no magazine, matter, can remain unactivated, no state, touch me, no feminine essence, no remain unemanated, no mystical bird, my remain uninvoked, no wing flame, carry on me, no remain unkindled, no nightmare, can trouble me, no horror, no bound spirit, can be right, can be dim, no light can be right, no light, no light, no light can be stolen, no man of renown can be corrupted, no light, no divine spirit can influence, no love, no Shambhala, no seducer can deceive, no Shambhala light can be extinguished, no line unclaimed, no dark forgotten, no gate of hell can be lost, no mystery can be hidden, no great mother can be no mountain mother magic can affect me, no Anatolian, no goddess can be silent, no witch shaman, heaven be